Hello everyone, Teresa here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Want to show you this new to us pre-owned Navion 24G. It is a 2014 and it's pretty cute inside. Let's take a look. So these folks, looks like they changed the couch. It's a cute little space saver couch. You've got your, of course, your cockpit up here that's very nicely appointed. And these chairs do swivel around. And this one has one of the much requested items, storage instead of a bed. So this is really great for the couple's coach. A nice long galley with some deep cabinets, lots of drawer space, and a double stainless steel sink, another real requested option. These beautiful lightweight doors, a nice second shelf in here, propane burners, and a microwave oven. I'm believing that this is a convection. Yes, it is. Nice little thing. Fans there. I'm going to take a step back and have the cameraman show you this bathroom. It is the cutest. You could pretend you're going somewhere really cool on an airline or in your motorhome. This little bed area is a queen size full walk around bed. Hard to find in short little units like this, but because it pops out the back, that's its one and only slide. It makes this very roomy, very comfortable in here for customers, for the buyers, for the owners. Two windows on each side, a great cross breeze. I believe this is a little 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Comes with a leveler. And this is your information and control center up here. Very convenient. Nicely equipped. Just a gem, and we just took this in, so it won't be here long once this video gets out and news of its being here is available. Come take a look at the outside. Great storage space. Again, for such a small unit, you've got some pretty good cabinet space. That's your 3600 LP generator. This is what would be storage underneath the bed area. Uh-oh, I got it locked up, but this is nice and deep, pretty much the same size as the bed. This is your outside shower, power cord area, and your dump station, all in one nice little package. More storage. Oh, I was wrong. This is 2 slides. That's why it was so roomy in there with that little couch. You could also take that and make it into a couple of nice recliners. So I urge you to come in. If you're looking for this type of unit, this won't be here long. And you can reach me at the information below. Again, Teresa at Guaranty RV. Thank you.